Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the S19 Pro by MERACH. This is a recumbent magnetic exercise bike. And I gotta tell you, I test a lot of these, and this one really impressed me. And I'll talk about that in today's video. We'll talk about how it came packaged, what the setup build was like, and the actual usage. If you're interested in something like this, stay tuned. All right, so we started right off the bat unboxing this thing, and I will tell you right now, FedEx did a number on this box, but it surprisingly came in perfect condition. Yes, there was a whole bunch of beat up white foam everywhere, and it made quite a mess in my garage, and they taped it up really good, but that's a good thing. They did tape it up. They did put a lot of that in there for this very reason, in case FedEx ripped it to pieces. So as I'm pulling everything out of the box, I noticed right off the bat there's a lot of parts. I am very nervous initially for the setup. Is it going to be hard? Well, I will tell you, it wasn't that difficult to set up. It did take me about 45 minutes. Normally I get something like this and the build takes about 20 to 30 minutes. So it did take a little bit longer. There's a lot of pieces to this, but there's a lot to this bike. And so for packaging, I'm going to tell you right now, the way they packaged it up, it's pretty impressive considering what it went through to get here. Although I was annoyed by how much tape I had to cut up, I can't give it a perfect score. So I give it 8 out of 10 for packaging. And that's because it arrived to me with a beat up box, but still was absolutely perfect inside there. Not a scratch on this thing. So I give it 8 out of 10 for packaging. Setup, on the other hand, was a little bit more difficult. There's a lot more to this. We did have to put basically everything together. It is packaged into a small box, so there is a lot of work. I am pretty experienced when it comes to setting these things up. So for me, 45 minutes is a long time to do this. It wasn't that it was difficult. The instructions are actually quite good. So I'm going to give this 5 out of 10 for setup. Now, use is something that's what you want to know, guys. You want to know what's the use like. Well, I will tell you, this thing is incredibly quiet and comfortable. So this is the seat right here. It's very comfortable. It does have this little 90-degree arm so you can get on and off of it. It does have heart rate monitoring right here, so you can monitor your heart rate as you go. It is adjustable. There's a little handle on my right-hand side, and it allows me to adjust it there. It's a little bit tricky on this slippery driveway. Normally you'd have it on carpet or a mat or something, but you can set it up so it's absolutely perfect for you. It is incredibly silent. I would say I can't even hear anything. It's probably less than 15 decibels of noise on here. It does have your different settings. There's from low all the way to high, 1 through 8 different settings. This is a resistance setting right here. So if you do want to have a little bit more resistance or a little less resistance, you can adjust that right here. Really nice. The display is pretty basic, only has a few modes on here. There is an app though, and the app is great. It is free app. So if you want to get the MERACH app, it's great. I would highly recommend doing that because you can get so much more out of this by having that. So overall, if you consider the fact that the packaging was really well done, the setup wasn't terribly difficult for all that this has to offer at the price that this is offered. Last time I checked it was about $339. Don't quote me on that because sometimes they run sales with Prime Day coming. You never know what you're going to get. But at the time that I got mine, $339 for this. For a magnetic recumbent bike, that's pretty darn impressive. My Peloton, on the other hand, was over $1,000, so just kind of put that into perspective. Yes, you get a big screen with that, but if you get the app, put a tablet right here. There's a little holder for like a phone or a tablet. Put your tablet up here. You can do a lot of the same things as you can on the Peloton, which is awesome. Again, this is a magnetic recumbent bike, incredibly quiet, fully adjustable, fully length adjustable with heart rate monitor. Can't beat this, guys. And you know what, cool thing about this, and I will say this because I have a Peloton and I've done videos on the Peloton. I've moved the Peloton around. It can be very heavy. This thing is actually quite light. There's a little handle back here and you can move this around really easily, which, I mean, I think that's pretty impressive. It is not that heavy. I could bring this down in the basement, carry it up the stairs, wouldn't have any problem at all at my size to be able to do that. So that's great, guys. I have no complaints about this. Actually quite surprised me for the price point that this came at. Again, this is the MERACH S19 Pro model. They've got a few different styles. If you like something a little bit different than this, you should check their website out. And I'll put links to this down in the description section of the video and the top comment so you can find it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions about this or any other video I do, just comment down below. Be happy to answer it. Thanks again, everybody. Bye.